Welcome back, guys. Have some pretty good news here. As you know, I always making sure that I test all of the current cordless products for polishers, things like that in our industry. And RUPES has announced that they're coming out with the HLR75 Hybrid Mini. So it's a 3-inch or 75 millimeter polisher, but it's cordless or corded. In a cordless version, or in the cordless setup, they say you're going to get somewhere between 35 and 45 minutes of runtime. So I guess that highly depends on the charge time if you want to make it a corded replacement, but this isn't really intended to be like a main polisher. Of course, it's, for smaller areas, being a 3-inch pad or 75 millimeters, you're not going to be polishing entire doors with it. You're going to be polishing around door handles, bumpers, things like that. So charge time maybe isn't as important on this one as it is for some of the others that I've been testing. You know that I'm currently underway with testing the new Milwaukee 15 millimeter and 21 millimeter random orbital and the SPTA version 2, which will be out here in a few weeks. So back to the HLR75. It is available overseas in Europe. Of course, they are based out of Italy in Milan. So right now it's only available in limited quantities, only in certain markets. What is the price? Over there, it's 678 euros, which is about 720, depending on the exchange rate, 720 US dollars. So it's not going to be inexpensive. It's going to be more expensive than everything else on the market, except for the Mirka, which would be probably direct competition to this. Everything else on the market is significantly cheaper. So it's one of those RUPES tools that they're not inexpensive, but you do get what you pay for. We do have several of their products in our shop as far as our main polishers, and they are great polishers. I have one that runs nearly every day, and it's going on almost 10 years old. It's been rebuilt once by them. So again, good products, but I'm excited to see what this is going to do. It looks like, at least overseas, it comes in they call it a beta kit, which has polishers, pads, charger, 2 batteries, and of course the tool. So you're gonna get quite a bit, and it's all gonna be useful, unlike some of these cheap Chinese polishers where they just throw a bunch of stuff at you, polishes, pads, everything, and they're terrible. These you're actually going to be able to use. RUPES USA's Facebook site said that it won't be available for several more months, which probably kind of a foreshadowing towards a SEMA release or something like that. So probably expect it around November. It says it's unlike any other polisher, 12 millimeter stroke, 75 millimeter 3-inch backing plate. And it does have a thing where if you drop it, it will deactivate the tool in the event that it slips from your grip. It has lithium ion cells, 2.5 amp hour battery. So that's kind of on the small side, but it's a small polisher, 35 to 45 minutes of polishing with a recharge time of 35 minutes. Based on that could be a complete corded replacement tool. So let me know in the comments, guys, is this something you would use in your shop? If you're just a weekend warrior, would you spend 700 something dollars on a tool like this that's not actually your main polisher? As a detailing professional, I will tell you that there is a necessity for this tool in your shop as far as a 3-inch polisher. Maybe not this particular polisher. We'll find out. As soon as it comes out, I will make sure I have it, and I will put it through the test like I do all the other polishers. I've tested basically every other polisher on the market. We know what's best. So we'll see where this stands. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.